So we let my sister drift the car, go check out the YouTube video, and my sister legitimately blew up my turbo.
I believe I can see the future, 'cause I repeat the same routine. I think I used to have a purpose.
So we let my sister drift the car, go check out the YouTube video, and my sister legitimately blew up my turbo. It is toast, it is gone. No boost until like 5,500 RPM. Can you get that, or are you going to burn yourself?
I showed it.
We're already shaving off the housing, so pretty or not, you know, bye-bye turbo. It's gone.
It's now
That's the end. It's no more.
The impeller, but
I'm gonna need another one though for sure. I need. Yeah, it's broke. It's pretty, but it's broke. Back at it. We're gonna go ahead and take this piece of junk turbo off. We made sure we've got oil. We are running oil out of the feed, so it is just a turbo that we grenaded, or rather, have you my sister. My sister grenaded my turbo. And then your boy Chris Compton, Mr. Extravaganzers from the Tropical Storm Drift, took this up with this here brand new turbo, basically. I mean, it's got some char on the back. It's been used, but it has zero shaft play, and it don't do nothing but sit still. So we're going to throw this one on real quick, and we're going to go outside and try to use some of this wet concrete to our advantage. All right. Went ahead and took the bottom intake off. T3 bolts are already off for the base of the turbo. 5 bolts already done for the downpipe. Oil line's off. Drain's getting done. We should be off here in about 2 minutes. Just like clockwork, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and swap her on out. You want to take a look at the exhaust stamps while we got them out. So basically, we're just going to throw this other turbo back on. We're going to go haul some ass again. Just like that.
Why you always got to get my fat ass on camera?
He's such a weenie. Who cares? Comment down below and tell me he's pretty. Right now, we're attaching the drain because Kevin's not pretty enough to be on camera. I believe as time and time again he has stated that I have the charisma. He does not. Is that what you say? I have the charisma? I charisma? You know. Charisma?
Look at these titties. Look at them.
I think the views will go up over that, though. Yeah, the views will definitely go up over that. You see this beveled edge? We didn't know that. So we're like, why is this thing not sitting flush? And that's why. 30 minutes of our life gone. Alright, here we are. Put the oil line on. The drain's already on. We'll tighten that. The intake, we'll tighten that. Throw this breather on the intake. Tighten the T3s. Throw some bolts in the downpipe. And flickety-pow. Make sure you leak take your oil fittings. Did I say leak tape? Leak tape? Leak tape? Leak tape. Leak tape. Leak tape. That's what I said. Leak tape. I'm officially showing you guys that Greg brought his Batman Dodge Ram. Double GTV up in the building. Coming through to secure that we don't fuck shit up.
Yeah, I'm on.
Say what's
What up?
Yeah, I'm on. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3! That's great.
No, you should have seen the run. That was even better.
Can you give me the run?
No,
we couldn't see the run.
No,
from in
I'm
here.
winded now.
Do it for the tube, man. It's what the tube's all about.
Hey, no video, no proof.
When he hits the, yeah, we don't think you can do
What
it,
the
dude.
fuck is that?
I told you they broke off, man. What do you want me to do? I did my part. I got in there. It was all good, and they broke off. They were weak. They couldn't do it. They couldn't hang. We come here. You fick. You fick it. You fick it.
Did you see this?
It'll work. You can fix it.
Yeah, that's why we're here. Greg's like, Kevin's got this. I'm like, Kevin's got
builder,
this.
man.
Yeah, you're the dude. You're the guy. You're the guy, dude. You know it's serious when this dude whips this thing off of the concrete and gets it mounted. This looks like it was from like the
I'm not even
time
mounted.
era
It's
that
just
they
like
shot the first Captain America.
like that's how we're gonna do this.
Oh no! Oh wow! What are you doing? Oh wow! Oh no! Wait! If you don't wait. That's all bad.
Well, see, the extractor's made of hardened steel. So
Is it? I specifically bought aluminum, but I think
It's
they lied
very
on the
brittle.
brush.
When you hit it with the hammer, it shatters.
Shatters?
Shatters.
I can go British. Owls, why don't, since the people are probably here watching this by now, which may be a year or two later, but why don't you show them what we're doing? Because right now, we're making ourselves a little hole, a pallet hole. Go on and tell them what you're doing. In the most sophisticated
Well, right now I'm
way.
trying to get the extractor that you broke off.
I did. Me? Not me.
Whoever.
It was
Whoever.
It was me. It was me. It was me. I'm gonna be honest. Loosey goosey, because you sounded a little worried about it, man.
No,
Are you concerned?
not at all.
Okay, cool. Great. Sounds good. Oh wow,
Titties.
that was technique.
Solid form. Oh, too tight.
It is time to drill the hole out so that we can get faster spool with the Betor exhaust housing. How do we go, Greg? How do we let this thing down? Greg says right there. This man is drilling so hard. Wow, Kevin. Dude, if I say so myself, man, that looks beautiful. That looks like an Emerald Coast Motorsports Facebook photo. The finish is just gorgeous, Kevin. Would you just look at this?
Man,
Just look at it.
Would you just look at it? Look at how smooth that is, man.
no. Does
Early
the bolt?
spool.
Does the bolt? That's what I'm saying.
Look at that, man. Good job. Come on, I'll give you some wiggles. I'll give you some wiggles. So clean, so fresh. We got Greg over here. Gotta love Tommy cams. And there you have it. Turbo in 24 hours. No leaks. Well, I mean, it only took like 15-20 minutes, but leak free first time. No leaks at all. No exhaust leaks. No oil leaks. Good to go. Take her out tomorrow morning and see how she feels. Go ahead and start her up because Kevin's freaking out. Kevin's been nagging me for the last 20 minutes to go for a drive. No, it's probably been like 4 hours now. A little rich on the cold start. That's good. We like that. I really wanted to start her up and let her burn off a little bit more of the fluids before I actually took her out, but I'll end up taking off here in a second. I can still hear my wastegate. I don't like that, but we'll assess that in time. We definitely got boost back. Oh yeah, I'm noticing my negative pressure is actually down where it should be now. I can't remember the last time I saw a -14 and -16.
Oh, cool.
Good.
Like it's back.
Yeah, I think yeah, we definitely got it back. It picks up around 3 now.
See,
Don't be such a wiener.
it's not that I'm watching time and
Oh, do we need more?
more fuel.
Huh?
Need more fuel.
Those camps never get old. we were only on wastegate pressure. So I just turned up the boost to the B setting, which is 17.5 pounds. Keep in mind, I'm not going full retard because she doesn't have like a done tune. I'm still running a little rich, and I'm pretty sure 14.9 pounds, so we're still too low. Oh, it's because the damn wastegate's still off. Typical. So I set the wastegate with the ignition off, and then I turned the car on and it went back to 14 pounds of boost. Yay. Well, everything turned out great. I'm gonna go let her cool down now that the turbo's had time to cook. I will end up putting my turbo blanket on later. Everything worked out great. You know, 30-40 minute turbo swap with a $40 turbo. Who can complain about that? So for now, I will take it. We'll go ahead and exit this out. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Turbo Josh. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell, which is 2 clicks, so you get all the videos. Do not pay attention to where I live and freak out and come follow me and do anything psychotic like that. If you have an SR20, let's see if I still got it. If you like SR20s, you have a JDM car, 240SX, you like drips, you like boost, you like race, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give me a big like. For now, I'm going to go ahead and decide to relax and enjoy my last day of freedom before I start work with the TSA tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Turbo Josh, 9-inch nails.